SuperTwins TV.
Today, we're gonna do a mini bag build.
Yes, the third one.
Is it the third one? But this one's gonna be a little different.
Huh?
We're going to do an upside down mini bag build. That doesn't mean you're hanging upside down though. You have to build it from upside down directions.
Okay.
Yeah? It's the challenge.
That's all
Right?
easy.
You think it's easy? We'll see.
Yeah.
So these are the two sets. We've got a helicopter and we've got some sort of 3-in-1. There's 56 pieces in here and there's 44 in here. So we'll try to find the biggest one of these for Dice to build, and Wouter will build the Lego helicopter. Okay, open her up.
Okay.
One got away.
No, got it.
Oh, look at all the tiny pieces in Tice's pile. Wow.
Hey, get your helmet.
Okay, so we've decided that Tice's 3 models are pretty easy. So he's gonna have to build all 3 of them. And then Wouter will build his. They're both 2 sides of directions. And they both have to be built upside down. Which I guess works great for the camera, because then we can see them right side up. Are you ready? Are you sure? On your marks. Get set. Stop! On your marks. Get set. Go! And Wouter did it! Upside down direction challenge! Oh, was it backwards? Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I think Tice, the master builder Tice, was hung up by a lost piece. Let's see if we can find it. The piece was found and he's proceeding to build. It's a remarkable achievement. Wouter has built his upside down direction style in a remarkable feat of building. What's the droid's name?
BBS.
BBS? He can only go sideways. Can you build him so that he can go forward?
No. That's not what the instructions say.
No. Instructions and schmuctions.
Instructions.
Or did the helicopter go?
Alright, you guys want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Do you want to say goodbye?
Yeah, goodbye.